Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Bike Updates review. Today we're diving into the 2026 Honda CBR1300XX, the latest iteration of Honda's legendary superbike. Known for its combination of raw power, advanced technology, and track-ready performance, this bike is turning heads in 2026. Let's see what makes it stand. Out-design and styling. The 2026 CBR1300XX continues Honda's sleek and aggressive design philosophy. It features sharper aerodynamic lines, a fully LED lighting system, and a compact muscular tail section. The new bodywork isn't just for looks, it improves high-speed stability and reduces drag, making this superbike feel planted even on the fastest straights, engine, and performance. Under the hood, the CBR1300XX packs a 1300cc inline-4 engine tuned for both power and smooth delivery. Honda claims upgraded electronics and a refined exhaust system that enhance throttle, response and torque across the rev range. Riders can expect blistering acceleration, precise handling, and a top-end performance. That's perfect for both street and trucking technology and features. Honda has loaded the 2026 CBR1300XX with cutting-edge tech. You get a full-color TFT display, multiple ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and adaptive suspension. For riders who love customization, the bike allows adjustments to engine mapping and braking settings on the fly, giving a tailor-made riding experience, comfort, and ergonomics. Despite its track-focused DNA, the CBR1300XX is surprisingly comfortable for long rides. The seat has been redesigned for better support, and the clip-on handlebars strike a balance between aggressive posture and rideability. This makes it not only a speed demon, but also a bike you could enjoy on a weekend tour. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR1300XX proves that Honda is serious about blending performance, technology, and style. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a rider who loves power and precision on the road, this bike delivers an exhilarating experience.